Hey, what's up? My name is Michael. I'm 31 years old. I'm in law school. I was referred to Joe in Vitality Sciences by a friend. At first, I was a little skeptical about it, but then after speaking with Joe on the phone and meeting him in person, um, I knew I wasn't going to turn back. Outstanding customer service. I can't say enough about Joe himself and the individuals he works with and the whole team there at Vitality Sciences. Not to mention the products and compounds they work with are top notch. Highly recommend it in terms of anti-aging and hormone replacement therapy. Um, like I said, at 31 years old, I feel better than I ever have. And you'd think that I should still be feeling well at 31 and that I'm still young. However, as you know, as men, our test levels actually begin to drop in our late 20s. So now that I'm back on a program, thanks to Joe and Vitality Sciences, I couldn't feel any better, and I can't thank them enough.